Hey, this is James Glass, and I'm here working on our tiny home, and I wanted to give a shout out to our local Habitat for Humanity ReStore. I am not sponsored by Habitat for Humanity or the ReStore. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I just really like these guys. And I want to talk a few minutes and show you a heater I got from them, which is awesome, and sort of talk to you about some of their great deals, because I wouldn't be able to do my tiny home project if it wasn't for the Habitat for Humanity ReStore. I'm mudding here today, and I'm waiting on my 90-minute to kind of set up before I wipe the next coat on. So I thought I would talk about the ReStore. So what have I gotten at the ReStore? Well, what haven't I gotten? So I got my portable HVAC pump off Facebook. I've gotten some other stuff off Craigslist, but and I got them all broken and fixed them and stuff, because I mean I just have no money whatsoever. And I bought the single wide for virtually nothing, but all the stuff I got to put in it, I literally started from nothing. I started my whole life over basically at 50 and 48 technically, but I'm now going to be 51 next month. Been working on this for 2 years, and the ReStore has been with me along the way. Those beds, that bed frame, I got each one of those. They have drawers in them. $35 each at the ReStore. I got some plywood to put on top. I'll stain that later. Look at that. Nice. So for $70, I got myself a bed frame. Curb picked the king size mattress. It was basically brand new. I steam cleaned it anyway. With the birch plywood that I got for this, which I'll kind of stain to match, I'll have about $125 in a full king size bed with 6 drawers. Awesome. Couch. I know it's really messy. The couch I got from the ReStore, it's almost 8 feet long. It's going to fit with the living room out there really well. I think I paid about $125, and maybe it was $100. Very good deal. Got it at the ReStore. These doors, they came out of a local Holiday Inn. They are cabinetry and they are countertops. So I will coat them in epoxy, and that's awesome. Stainless steel sink. I think I paid $6 a piece for these doors, or $8. Very fair. They had a lot of them. I got this unbelievably wonderful pot at the ReStore. I think it was $15, $25, something like that. But this is a scan pan. This is like a $100 some pot, and it came with a lid. Very good deal. I've gotten other stuff like this, other pots and pans. Of course, I had to buy, new fixtures. I just get new, they have fixtures, but they didn't have anything at the time that I wanted, and I definitely wanted a sprayer fixture like this, so I really like this, so I had to buy that new. But if they would have had something at the ReStore, I would have gotten it. They have a lot of dishwashers over there. I got this one off Craigslist for $20, but yeah. So today we're 3 minutes into this video, so let's talk about ReStore and their awesome return policy. I mean, I can go on and keep listing all the things I got at the ReStore. Household wares, lumber, materials, furniture, all kinds of stuff. But today I have a really cool, exciting thing. On that wall over there will be a 21 SEER 12K ductless mini split. Each bedroom is going to have a 9K, and then this big living room kitchen is going to have a 12K. And I've got a free Craigslist 1500 watt 4-foot 240 heater. Not quite enough backup heat for those super cold days. 5 to 10 days out of every winter, the heat pumps around here don't work because you can't capture enough heat in the outside air. We do get single digits, and it does suck. And so I've been on the scowl, been on the hunt for a forced air with a fan, 240 volt, 4,000 watt heater, 3,500 to 4,000. ReStore had it, and 4,000 watts, $45, just to put the numbers on that. These things are anywhere from $150 to $250 depending upon the brand. I got it temporarily hooked up to test it and see if it works. I got everything ready, and I thought I'd involve everybody in the test. The fan may or may not come on right away when I turn this on, because I read in the literature that it takes a while for the heating element this is the heating element here to kick on, and then the fan will come on. I got to cut a hole right there in that wall This 100 amp sub panel is feeding the 2 bedrooms and bathroom on this end of the house, the heat pump and the backup heaters, along with one outside circuit. The 200 amp panel on the other end of the house feeds everything else. But what I don't want to do is cut a hole for this chassis, this box, until I know the heater works. And I'm not worried at all because the ReStore has like a 3 or 7 day or something return policy. The folks are over there really nice. So, bum ba bum, does the heater work? Let's turn it on. Okay. No stress that the fan hasn't come on yet because, oh, I feel heat. It can take a few moments for the heating element to kick in. Let's see what we got. Oops, 154, 170, 180, 205. Oh yeah, it's working good. I'll just turn it up to max. There's the fan. Works great. Looks like it's got to get up to about 300 before the fan kicks in. Awesome. No need to return this baby. Most of the things they have are tested. I've noticed they have such fair prices on things. So I got this for about a third of what it would have cost me new. It was worth waiting until, I mean, at this point, the project's now gotten far enough along that I need to cut that hole in the wall because I'm going to be mudding in there soon. And my patience paid off because look at this. I got a wonderful 240 volt wall mount forced air heater for $45 at our ReStore. Well, that is just great. Okay, cool. Well, thanks for watching.